All right, here's our barrel and upper receiver. And this is kind of part of the firearm to me that takes a big part of the wear and tear. You know, this is what you put inside of a holster. This is what your hands are touching all the time, you know, minus the hand grip. You're fooling with this a lot. You know, you're playing with the bolt. You may be taking stuff out, playing around. So I try to use a little bit extra care here. You know, just put a little bit extra TLC. And so this is where I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to go inside the action here, up near the front ramp where the rounds slide in. And I'm just going to give that a good wipe here. Make sure that I'm getting everything cleaned up. And you also maybe want to pay close attention. You can see how kind of some gunk that we were getting out of there. And that's mostly coming from the inside of this face area here where the bolt meets the front of the barrel. And that's where a lot of the gases are going to escape from when you discharge one of your rounds. And so that's not a bad area to necessarily have it. It just maybe give you an idea to put a little bit extra time into that area. All right, we got that pretty clean. We're just going to kind of wipe down inside here. It's kind of hard to get inside with a patch, so I kind of use, this may be the area where I use a few extra Q-tips than maybe some of these other areas on the firearm. I just kind of get in here with a Q-tip and kind of wipe down. You can see I caught a little bit there. Take one of these other ones. It's not quite worn out. Just give it another wipe here. All right, the inside's looking pretty good. All right, I'm just going to kind of give it an overall look, and we know that we've already cleaned the inside of the barrel here. I'm going to give it a look. Looking pretty good. And then I'm just going to take a couple of my patches again, and I'm just going to give them a good, you know, give the barrel and everything a good wipe on the outside. I'm just going to kind of feel it and make sure. Yeah, and it's looking pretty good. All right, so we have a pretty clean firearm. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reassemble this firearm.